Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Those who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe the channel. Those who already subscribed my channel, watch my videos, like my videos and share my videos. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for the next video. In this video, we are going to answer for another set of science practice paper of class 8th. In that one, the first one is let us answer the 20 MCQs. The first MCQ is the phenomenon represented by the below given figure is. So this is the figure and this figure represent the reflection of light, dispersion of light, reflection of light, lateral inversion and interference of light. So for this question, the right answer is option B, that is reflection of light. So reflection of light is the right answer. Now let us move for the second question. So the second question is that is a giant planet among the following is, that is which is the biggest planet in the solar system: Mars, Saturn, Jupiter, Uranus. Among these four, the right answer is option C, Jupiter. Option C, that is Jupiter, is the right answer. Option C, Jupiter. Now let us move for the next question, that is if you hold a pen in your right hand the stand in front of the mirror, the pen appears in the left hand of the image. This phenomenon is called lateral inversion, diffraction, reflection, deflection. So the right answer is option A, lateral inversion. So for third question, the right answer is option A, that is lateral inversion. That is the left looks like a right and the right looks like a left. So that is called as lateral inversion. Now let us move for the fourth question. Celestial bodies between the planets Mars and Jupiter are meteors, asteroids, comets and meteorites. The right answer is option B, asteroids. So now for fourth question, the right answer is option B, that is asteroids. Now let us move for the fifth question, that is an astronaut standing on the moon tries to throw an object upwards, then that object directly falls toward the surface of the moon, hangs still in the space, goes up and later returns to the surface of the moon, keeps going upward in the space. Now let us answer this question. So the right answer for fifth question is goes up and later returns to the surface of the moon. So for fifth question, the answer is option C. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಅರ್ತ್ ಮೂನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಗ್ರಾವಿಟೇಷನಲ್ ಫೋರ್ಸು ಅರ್ತ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ 1/6 ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಸಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಟು ಕಮ್ ಟು ದ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮೂನ್. So next sixth question. A student draws an imaginary line between the stars of a constellation that he observed in the clear sky of night and that appears as a hunter for him. This constellation is Great Bear, Orion, Cassiopeia and Leo Major. So the right answer for this question is option B, Orion. Next, coming to the seventh question. Visually impaired people can read and write using electronic writer, digital pens, braille system and hearing aids. The right answer for seventh question is option B, braille system. So braille system is the right answer. Now let us move for the eighth question. To make kaleidoscope, we require 3 plane mirrors, 4 plane mirrors, 3 glass sheets and 4 glass sheets. The right answer for this eighth question is that is option A. We require 3 plane mirrors. That is 3 rectangular shaped plane mirrors we require. Then coming to ninth question, that is which zone of the flame melts gold like metals? Lower zone, inner zone, outer zone, middle zone. The right answer for this question is option C, that is outer zone. This is used by the goldsmith. Next, coming to the 10th question, which of the following materials is not used for electroplating metal articles? Chromium, sodium, zinc, silver. The right answer is sodium, option B. Option B, sodium. Next, so here one figure is given. Identify the phenomenon by analyzing the picture given below. So this is the picture. ಈ picture ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ದಂಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So it is the damage done by earthquake. So for 11th question, the answer is earthquake. So now let us see which is the option. So here waves, storms, lightning and earthquake is given. So answer already I have written, but I have not written the option. That is option D, earthquake is the right answer. Then coming to the 12th question, lowest temperature at which a substance catches fire is known as ignition temperature, transition temperature, burning temperature, flaming temperature. The right answer for this question is option A, ignition temperature. Ignition temperature. Next, coming to the 13th question, an instrument depicted in the given below picture is. So here the given picture is electroscope. So option D. Option D, electroscope is the right answer. Now let us answer the 14th question. SI unit used to measure the calorific value of a fuel is kilocalorie, kilojoule per kg, kilojoule and joule per kg. The right answer is option B, kilojoule per kg. So option B, kilojoule per kg. Next, coming to the 15th question. So chromosomes comprising part of the cell is. So chromosomes is present in the nucleus. So option A, 15th question, option A, nucleus. Now let us answer the 16th question. That is the type of asexual reproduction that has shown in the figure, that shown in the given diagram is. So this is hydra. So hydradalli nadiyadu ille kottidare ನೋಡಿ into bud. Bud andre, so what type of asexual reproduction is taking place? That is option C, budding. So budding is the right answer. Now let us move for the 17th question. So 17th question is, in humans the male sex chromosomes consist of. Male anta bandaga one X irbeku, one Y irbeku. So for 17th question, the right answer is option A, 1X and 1Y. Next, 18th question. Among the animals, humans, N, cow and horse, the N is considered as an odd animal because, so here, so this is viviparous, this is human is a viviparous, cow is a viviparous and horse is a viviparous, but N is a oviparous. That means it lay eggs. Therefore, the right answer is it is oviparous, option B. For 18th question, the right answer is option B, it is oviparous. The egg laying animals are called oviparous and which give birth to the young ones are called as viviparous. Next, a disease that caused due to air pollution among the following is, that is option C, asthma. So asthma is the disease caused due to air pollution. So for 19th question, the right answer is option C, that is asthma. Next, coming to the last question of this MCQ, a gas responsible to cause the greenhouse effect is carbon dioxide. So CO2, option B. So the right answer for 20th question is option B, carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide is the right answer. Now let us answer from 21 to 28 question. The 21st question is, let us see what is the 21st question. That is, 21st question is, how high levels of nutrients in water affect the survival of aquatic organisms ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. So now let us answer this question. So ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ 21st ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. So high level nutrients in water acts as a nutrients for algae. ಪಾಚಿಗೆ ಇದು nutrients, so it acts like a food. When these algae die, they serve as a food for decomposers like bacteria in the process. Lot of oxygen in water gets used up. As a result, there will be decrease in the oxygen level for the aquatic organisms. Thereby reduces the survival chances of aquatic organisms. That is, percentage of or amount of oxygen in the water decreases. Therefore, aquatic animals feel difficult to breathe and they may die. So this is what happens due to the high level nutrients in water. So in that one only, one more internal choice question is there. Mention the different ways through which the water is getting polluted. So water ಹೇಗೆಲ್ಲ pollute ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವೀಗ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. That is, the first one is many industries discharge harmful chemicals into the water bodies. It may be rivers or it may be tanks. This is the first one. Next, the second one is dispose of sewage water into water bodies. So ಚರಂಡಿ ನೀರನ್ನ ಅಥವಾ ಡೊಮೆಸ್ಟಿಕ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಳಸಿರುವಂಥ ನೀರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ so now we are dumping or disposing into water bodies, which will makes the water to get polluted. Next, pesticides. In agricultural field, we are using pesticides, we are using weedicides, we are using fungicides and other chemicals also dissolve in water, also dissolve in water and get contaminated. That is, water will get contaminated. And the fourth point is, that is, breeding microorganisms, breeding of microorganisms, breeding of microorganisms makes water polluted. So these are the things that you have to keep it in your mind. Now let us move for the 22nd. What are the physical and mental changes that takes place in the boys during adolescence anta ide. So now let us answer this question. So by writing with points. The first point is that children get taller, heavier and stronger. So children will get taller, heavier and stronger. So this is the first point you have to write. The second point is that second point is changes in sexual organs, skin, hair, brain development, all these will take place. This is the second point. Now let us write the third point. Thinking power develops. Fourth point is ability of absorbing the perspectives. Ability of absorbing the perspectives. Then fourth one is increase the ability of emotions. And the sixth point is development of personal and sexual identity. So these are the points that you have to keep it in mind regarding the physical and mental development during adolescence. In 22nd itself, one more internal choice question is there. Name the gland and the hormones secreted by the same gland that are responsible to bring the development of sexual character both in boys and girls anta ide. So now let us answer. First let us answer regarding boys. So the gland responsible is called as, the name of the gland is testes. And what type of hormone does it secretes, which is responsible for the secondary sexual character? Our sexual character is testosterone. Then in girls, the gland that is responsible for sexual character is ovary. And what type of hormone does it secretes? It secretes a hormone called as estrogen. So the name of the hormone is estrogen. So like this we have to answer that question. After completing 22nd, we are moving for 23rd. What is lightning? Mention the methods of prevention from lightning. So now let us answer this question. That is, what is meant by lightning? So lightning andre ಏನು? So ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವೀಗ explain ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. So this is 23rd question. What is lightning? A sudden electrostatic discharge that occurs during a thunderstorm is called as lightning. This is lightning. In that one more question is there, that is mention the methods of prevention from lightning anta ide. So now let us answer that question. So what are the methods we have to follow during lightning is we should we should stay we should stay in a we should stay in a closed place, preferably in a closed room or car. This is the first method. The second method is that we should avoid taking shelter under trees or standing in an open field while lightning. Then the third one is electric wires, telephones, telephone wires, and metal surfaces should never be touched while lightning. So these are the three methods that we can follow that is in the prevention from lightning. So this is about lightning. Now let us move for the next question, that is question number 23. In that one only one more question is there. So list the effects of earthquakes and hurricanes on human life. So now let us answer that question. So now let us answer the 23rd R question, that is effects of earthquake and hurricanes. That is, it can cause floods, landslides, tsunamis, then second point, it damages to buildings, bridges, dams, and people. Therefore, it cause huge loss to human. So like this we have to answer that 23rd R question. Now let us move for 24th question. So in the 24th question, categorize the following items as solid, liquid and gas fuels. So ಇವುಗಳನ್ನ ಸಾಲಿಡ್, ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ಮತ್ತು ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಫ್ಯೂಯಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಬರೋಣ. I will divide it into three categories. One is solid. So one is solid, one more is liquid, and one more is gas. So solid, liquid and gas. So wood comes under solid. Then coal, it is also solid. Wood, coal. Then so here they have given wood, coal, petrol, kerosene, dry cow dung, then diesel, methane, compressed natural gas, LPG and hydrogen. So ಇವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವೀಗ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. Wood, coal, then kerosene comes under liquid. After kerosene, dry cow dung, it comes under solid. Dry cow dung, ಒಣಗಿ ಸಗಣಿ. Next, diesel comes under liquid. Diesel ಆಯಿತು. Next, methane comes under gas. Compressed natural gas, CNG, comes under gas. Then liquefied petroleum gas, it comes under gas. Then hydrogen, it also comes under gas. So like this we have to classify them as solid, liquid and gas. So in that one only one more question is there. So we have to classify them as combustible. The given material should be classified as combustible and non-combustible. So ಇದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಐರನ್ ನೈಲ್ ನಾನ್ ಕಂಬಸ್ಟಬಲ್, ಕೆರೋಸಿನ್ ಕಂಬಸ್ಟಬಲ್, ಸ್ಟೋನ್ ಪೀಸ್ ನಾನ್ ಕಂಬಸ್ಟಬಲ್, glass non-combustible. So like this we have to classify them as combustible and non-combustible gas. So now let us move for the next question, that is 25th. Draw a diagram of a nerve cell. You have to draw the diagram and diagram of paramecium. So these two questions you have to answer. You have to write the diagram. So after that one we are moving for 26th question. In that 26th question, so he has given that is a copper wire is commonly used in electric wires but not iron wire. Why? So now let us first answer the first question. So ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ನಾವು. ಸೊ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಪರ್ ವೈರ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇದೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್, ಗಿವ್ ರೀಸನ್, ಆರ್ ವೈ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್. Because copper is high, copper have high conductivity, first point, comma, it is more ductile than iron, ಇದು ಎರಡನೇ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. Then the third point is that it will not corrode as like iron. So these are the things that you can answer for, that is A question. In that B, it is not advisable to assign repair work to an electrician during heavy rain conditions. Why anta kelidane? So let us answer the B question. So B question is because rainwater contains dissolved salts. Therefore rainwater can conduct electricity. So rainwater can conduct electricity. The electrician may get electric shock while working outdoors during rain. So this is the answer for that is 26th A and B. In 26th one more question is there, that is internal choice question. The bulb does not glow in the setup shown in the figure. This is the setup what we have done. So in this the bulb is not glowing. Explain the reason and we have to write what is electroplating. So now let us answer both the question. So the first question is, the bulb does not glow in the setup shown in the figure. Explain the reason. So now let us list the reason why the bulb is not glowing. So the first reason is liquid solution in the glass jar may be poor conductor of electricity. What the electrolytes we are using, those electrolytes may not be they not be good conductor of electricity. First point. Next, second point, ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಲ್ಬ್ ಗ್ಲೋ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ the bulb might be fused. ಬಲ್ಬು ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಂದರೆ ಬಲ್ಬು ಬರ್ನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. The third point is that the battery may be exhausted. The battery may be exhausted. So battery exhaust ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. Then the fourth point is there may be, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಮೇ ಬಿ ರೀಸನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು why the bulb is not glowing. So there may be loose connection in the circuit. So circuit ನಲ್ಲಿ loose connection ಇರ್ಬೋದು. So these are the reasons that you have to give for this question. So ಇದು ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದಂತಹ ಕೆಲವು reasons ಇರ್ಬೋದು why the bulb is not glowing. So in that one only what is electroplating ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. So now let us answer that question. The process of depositing a layer of any desired metal on another material by means of electricity is called electroplating. So like this we have to answer for 26th question. Now let us move for 27th question. So 27th question is, that is what are artificial satellite? Name two artificial satellite. Write any two applications of artificial satellite. So now let us answer this question. So ಈ question ನಾವೀಗ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. So in 27th first question is, what are artificial satellites? So ಮೊದಲನೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. man-made satellites revolving round the earth is called artificial satellites. This is one question we have finished. Now let us move for another question, that is name two artificial satellites. So the two artificial satellite is Aryabhata 1 and INSAT, Indian National Satellite. Okay, second question also finished. Write any two applications of artificial satellites. So application andre uses. So artificial satellite used for forecasting weather. ಒಂದು. ಎರಡನೇದು, it is used for transmitting TV and radio signals. So this is the answer for 27th. In that one again one internal choice question is there. Classify the following planets as inner planet and outer planet of the solar system: Mercury, Neptune, Jupiter, Mars, Venus, Saturn, Uranus and Earth. So ಈಗ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸೊ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇನ್ನರ್ ಪ್ಲಾನೆಟ್ಸ್, this side outer planets. So inner planets, Mercury, then Venus, Earth, Mars. Then the outer planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. So like this we have to classify them as inner planet and outer planets. So now let us answer another question. Earth is the only planet in the solar system where life exists. So support this statement by giving reasons. So now let us answer the what makes the life to exist on the earth. That is, the first one is availability of water. So water is available on the earth. This makes the life to exist. Then second one is presence of atmosphere. So atmosphere na presence ninda, so it makes the life to exist. Then third one is major portion of earth has a favorable climatic condition. Fourth one, correct distance between earth and sun. ಸನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಅರ್ತ್ ನಡುವೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ನಾಟ್ ಟು ಕೋಲ್ಡ್, ನಾಟ್ ಟು ಹಾಟ್. ತುಂಬ ಚಳಿನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ತುಂಬ ಬಿಸಿಲು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ತುಂಬ ಹಾಟು ಅಲ್ಲ, ತುಂಬ ಕೋಲ್ಡು ಅಲ್ಲ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ದ ಪ್ರೆಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಓಝೋನ್ ಲೇಯರ್. ಸೊ ಅರ್ತ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಟ್ಮಾಸ್ಫಿಯರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಓಝೋನ್ ಲೇಯರ್ನ ಪ್ರೆಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. That presence of protective ozone layer makes the life to exist on the earth. So these are the things that you have to keep it in mind regarding this one. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇದಾದಮೇಲೆ 28th ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಡ್ರಾ ದ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಐ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲೇಬಲ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ರೆಟಿನಾ, ಲೆನ್ಸು, ಕಾರ್ನಿಯಾ. ದ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ಸ್ ದ ಸೈಜ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪ್ಯೂಪಿಲ್. ಸೊ ಪ್ಯೂಪಿಲ್ನ ಸೈಜ್ನ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡೋನು ಯಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಐರಿಸ್. ಸೊ ಐರಿಸ್ನು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ರೆಟಿನಾ, ಲೆನ್ಸು, ಕಾರ್ನಿಯಾ ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ದ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ದ ಸೈಜ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪ್ಯೂಪಿಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಐರಿಸ್. ಸೊ ಐರಿಸ್ನು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡ್ರಾ ದ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಐ. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Those who have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. Those who have already subscribed, watch my videos, like my videos, share my videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon for getting the notification for the next video. So thank you very much.